Hello and welcome. Have you ever considered what it truly means to step into the realm of infinite possibilities? What if you could act as if you already have everything you've ever desired, and by doing so, draw it closer to you? This is not wishful thinking or a fanciful dream, it's a principle that has the power to transform your reality. The idea is simple but profound: your outer world is a reflection of your inner state. When you embody the feeling of already having what you seek, you align yourself with the reality you desire. This is not about pretending or forcing anything, it's about genuinely stepping into the role of the person who already has what they want. Whether it's love, abundance, health, or joy, you must first feel it within before it manifests without. Take a moment to reflect on this. How often do you focus on what you lack? Perhaps you dwell on unfulfilled dreams or opportunities that seem just out of reach. But here's the truth: by focusing on lack, you create more of it. The mind, like a mirror, reflects back whatever you impress upon it. If you constantly think, "I don't have enough," you reinforce that state of not having. Instead, ask yourself, what would it feel like if I already had it? Sit with that feeling and let it saturate your being. This principle doesn't demand perfection or unwavering faith at all times. It requires practice. Think of it as a mental exercise, one where your imagination becomes the driving force. For instance, if you desire financial freedom, close your eyes and imagine yourself living that reality. See yourself effortlessly paying bills, enjoying experiences, and sharing your abundance with others. Feel the ease, the relief, and the joy of having more than enough. Hold on to that feeling, even if just for a moment, and let it imprint on your consciousness. Some might wonder, isn't this just pretending? Not at all. Acting as if is far deeper than mere pretense. It's an intentional act of claiming your power to shape your reality. When you act as if, you're not lying to yourself, you're aligning with a truth that exists in a higher dimension. You're drawing from the infinite possibilities available to you and bringing them into your physical experience. Now, let's talk about the power of words and thoughts in this process. Every word you speak and every thought you think carries energy. When you say, "I am wealthy," or "I am loved," you're planting seeds in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. But it's not enough to just say the words, you must believe them. Feel the truth behind them. Speak them with conviction. If doubt creeps in, don't resist it, acknowledge it, then gently return to the feeling of your desired state. One of the most effective tools for this practice is gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. When you're grateful, you open the door to receiving more. Start each day by listing things you're thankful for. It could be as simple as the warmth of the sun or the comfort of your bed. As you cultivate gratitude, you'll notice a shift in your perspective. Life begins to feel abundant, and that feeling creates a magnetic pull for more blessings. Visualization is another key. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself living the life you desire. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious accepts it as real, your outer reality starts to rearrange itself to match. It's important to mention that acting as if it doesn't mean ignoring your current circumstances. You don't have to deny what's happening in your life. Instead, acknowledge it without attaching too much emotion to it. Recognize it as a temporary state and shift your focus to the reality you wish to create. Your present moment is not your final destination, it's just a stepping stone. Sometimes, people hesitate to act as if they fear disappointment. They think, what if I get my hopes up and it doesn't happen? But let me tell you this: the act of embodying your desired state is never wasted. Even if the external manifestation takes time, you're changing your internal world, and that's where true transformation begins. You're training your mind to operate from a place of abundance, not lack. Let's consider relationships for a moment. If you long for love, don't dwell on loneliness. Instead, ask yourself, How would I feel if I were already in a loving relationship? Feel the warmth, the connection, and the joy. Carry that feeling with you throughout your day. Treat yourself with the kindness and respect you'd expect from a partner. By doing so, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive the love you desire. The same applies to health. If you're seeking healing, begin to imagine yourself as whole and vibrant. Speak words of health over yourself. I am strong. I am healthy. My body is a masterpiece. Visualize your cells regenerating, your energy increasing, and your body functioning perfectly. Think about the potential of your mind as a blank canvas. Each thought you entertain, every belief you hold, and all the feelings you nurture are brushstrokes that paint the reality you live in. Now, if that's true, wouldn't it make sense to choose your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings with great care? Too often, people allow random, often negative, ideas to dominate their mental landscape. But when you consciously select thoughts that align with infinite possibilities, you set yourself up for experiences that reflect abundance, joy, and freedom. Start by cultivating a practice of noticing your internal dialogue. Are your thoughts aligned with what you desire? For instance, if your goal is financial success, yet your thoughts are filled with fear and doubt about money, you create a block. Shift this by focusing on thoughts that energize and excite you. Say to yourself, opportunities flow to me effortlessly, or I am always in the right place at the right time. Over time, this shift in thought patterns influences your actions and the outcomes you attract. Another powerful way to activate infinite possibilities is by setting intentions with clarity and conviction. Think of an intention as a seed. When you plant it in the fertile ground of your mind, it begins to grow. The clearer the seed, the more specific your intention, the stronger and healthier the resulting plant. For example, if you wish for better relationships, don't just think, I want more love. Instead, say, I am surrounded by people who uplift me and share meaningful connections. This specificity creates a stronger resonance with the desired outcome. It's equally important to create space for your desires to flourish. This might mean releasing limiting beliefs or letting go of situations that no longer serve you. Often, people hold on to old patterns out of fear or familiarity, yet doing so prevents new and better circumstances from entering their lives. Ask yourself, what am I holding on to that is blocking my growth? The answer may surprise you. Surrounding yourself with supportive people is another key aspect of activating your infinite potential. Seek out those who inspire, motivate, and challenge you to think bigger. Their energy becomes a mirror for your own growth. When you're around people who believe in possibilities, it becomes easier for you to believe in them too. Conversely, distance yourself from negativity. It drains your creative energy and limits your capacity to dream. Trust that your mind and body are deeply interconnected, and what you impress upon one affects the other. It's worth noting that patience plays a significant role in this process. Acting as if it doesn't mean demanding instant results. It's about trusting the timing of your life. Sometimes, the things you desire take longer to manifest because there's a greater lesson or blessing unfolding behind the scenes. Stay consistent in your practice, and know that everything is working out for your highest good. Lastly, surround yourself with reminders of your desired state. Create a vision board, write affirmations, or keep a journal where you document your progress. These tools serve as anchors, helping you stay focused on what you want rather than what you lack. To sum it up, acting as if it is not just a practice, it's a way of being. It's about living from a place of possibility, not limitation. It's about recognizing that you are the creator of your reality, and you have the power to shape your life in extraordinary ways. So start today. Begin to embody the person you want to become. Feel it, believe it, and watch as your world transforms before your eyes.